Chef Milo the sushi cat in a little town by the sea. There was a cozy sushi restaurant called the Happy Fish. And who was the chef there? A fluffy orange cat named Milo, the best sushi chef in town. Every morning, Chef Milo put on his tiny white hat and apron. He sharpened his fish-shaped knife and hummed. Chop, chop, roll, and pat. Sushi time with Chef Milo the cat. Milo loved making sushi for everyone. He made tuna rolls for turtles, salmon nigiri for seals, and veggie sushi for bunnies. One windy afternoon, a shy little seagull flew in. "Hello," chirped the bird softly. "Do you have anything for me?" Milo smiled. "Of course. Every guest is welcome here." He rolled up some rice, added seaweed, and topped it with a tiny fish. "Ta-da! Seagull sushi special," said Milo proudly. The seagull took a bite. Delicious. Soon, word spread all over the beach. Chef Milo's sushi was the tastiest around. Every evening, when the stars came out, Milo cleaned his kitchen, took off his little hat, and sat by the window watching the moon shine over the sea. "I love my job," he purred. "Cooking makes everyone happy, even me." And from that day on, whenever you smelled something yummy by the shore, you could bet Chef Milo the cat was busy rolling sushi with a smile.